Hi there, my name's Lisa Fox, a travel consultant with Enchanting Travels. I grew up in Scotland, and something that I love about it is there are so many historic places that have also been major filming locations. Glenfinnan Viaduct, which has appeared in all of the Harry Potter films, is the famous bridge that the Hogwarts Express goes over. Doune Castle, from Monty Python and the Holy Grail and the TV series Outlander. And you may also recognise Elan Donnan Castle and the stunning valley of Glencoe from James Bond films. My top insider tip for you is don't rush. Yes, Scotland is small, but there's so much to enjoy as you travel between these major sites, stopping in small towns and villages and just enjoying the stunning natural landscapes and beauty. The journey is as much a highlight as the destination itself. If you would like to plan a trip to Scotland, I'd be delighted to assist and help you work out that all-important best route.